Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Chrome to have it pinned to your taskbar, and also how you can set up Google Chrome as your default browser. So first of all, after installing Google Chrome, you might have the shortcut on your desktop. If yes, then all what you will have to do, you will have to go to the shortcut of Google Chrome. You click on it with the right button of the mouse and you click pin to taskbar. Also, if you would like to have Google Chrome on the start menu, you will have to go back and to click again with the right button of the mouse and you select pin to start, and you will have Google Chrome here on the start. For the people who doesn't have the shortcut on their desktop, so you will have to go to the search tab and you will have to type Google Chrome, and you scroll until Google Chrome and you click with the right button of the mouse and you select pin to taskbar. Now it is appearing on my taskbar, and also you can click again and select pin to start, and there we go, we have in our start menu. So to set up Google Chrome as your default browser, you will have to go to your settings. So you go back to the search tab and you type settings. We open the computer settings and we'll look for applications, and from here we will click on default applications. You have to scroll down and you select the section web browser. You click on your current web browser, and from here we will select Google Chrome, and I will click switch anyway, and there we go, we have now Google Chrome selected as our default browser. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you still need help or assistance, you can always contact us via comment or by sending us an email. And if you would like, you can always encourage us by leaving a like and by clicking a share. And do not forget to subscribe to get our latest video. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.